Well, here's Piper cleaning herself on her throne. Yeah, look at that. You're really good at this, aren't you? Look at. She just uses that little tongue like a washcloth. And she just works away getting every little spot, don't you? Do you have a washcloth tongue, huh? Yeah. That's one thing that cats do that's just so cute. They use their tongue for a washcloth. And that's how she stays so pretty. Yeah, you're always clean. Just like you've had a bath. Because actually, you've given yourself one, haven't you? Look at how meticulously she just sits there and works on it. I would say that's a great talent that she has. Yeah, she does really well. Yeah, she doesn't need to go to a groomer or anything. She just knows how to fix her own hair. Just look at that. Yeah, Piper, you're unlike most royalty. Here she is sitting on her throne. Yeah, but she's fixing her hair and making herself look beautiful while she's sitting there. Yeah, most monarchs wouldn't do that in public, but she likes to demonstrate her talents. And there she is. Yeah, one of the best hairdressers around, that's for sure. Not many people can look this sleek and nice all the time, but she does. Well, I guess I'll let you get back to it, Piper. Not that you ever stopped. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Oh, such a good job, Piper. Such a good job. Yeah.